In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Davinci Resolve Studio in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a professional editor or just getting started with video editing, activating the full version of Davinci Resolve Studio will unlock advanced features and tools that can take your projects to the next level. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you need to navigate to the Blackmagic Design official support page. Open your preferred web browser and head over to blackmagicdesign.com/support. This is where you'll find all the latest software updates and downloads for Davinci Resolve. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups during the download process. Once you are on the support page, locate and select Davinci Resolve Studio under the list of the latest versions available. Selecting the Studio version is important as it provides the complete set of tools and features exclusive to the paid version. Take a moment to verify that you are choosing the Studio version, as the free version, while robust, won't offer the advanced features you might be looking for. Next, you'll need to choose your operating system. Davinci Resolve Studio is available for both Windows, macOS, and Linux. So, ensure you pick the right one to guarantee a smooth installation process. By selecting the correct operating system, you'll avoid any unnecessary compatibility issues and save yourself a lot of time and effort down the road. Now, you'll be prompted to fill out a registration form. This form typically includes your personal information like your name, email address, and other relevant details. Filling out this form is crucial as it not only completes your registration, but also grants you access to further updates and notifications from Blackmagic Design. Remember to use an active email address to receive any related communications or updates regarding your software. Once you've submitted the form, you'll be able to download the Studio version. Save the file to a location on your computer where it's easy to find. The download might take some time depending on your internet speed, as the software package is quite large. Patience is key during this step. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. These are usually straightforward and guide you step by step through the installation wizard. If you're prompted for any permissions, make sure to allow them, as these are necessary for the software to be installed properly on your system. And that's it. You've successfully activated Davinci Resolve Studio. Open up the software, enter any activation keys if required, and explore the vast array of features now at your disposal. Remember, with your new access, constant practice and experimenting with different tools will enhance your editing skills over time. Happy editing!